Hi there, it's Hugo from Hightouch, and today I want to talk to you about our Fivetran extension. Here you can see we have a sink that's taking data from a Snowflake table and synchronizing it with our customer service prioritization Google Sheet. The Snowflake table is filled via a Fivetran connector, and if I go to our Fivetran dashboard, you can see that we are syncing data from Intercom into Snowflake. Now, it would be great if we could run this sync every time we have up-to-date data in our underlying Snowflake table, when our Fivetran connector sync has completed. To do this, we can activate the Fivetran extension for this workspace. If I go into the extensions menu, click Fivetran, configure extension, and fill in my Fivetran API key and API secret, which I can get from my Fivetran workspace settings, and hit connect, Hightouch will connect to Fivetran and set up the Hightouch webhook so that we can receive events from Fivetran. I can hit test connection here too to make sure that our connection to Fivetran is working. Now, if I go back to syncs and select my intercom sync, I'm able to go to the schedule page and select the Fivetran scheduling option. If I select our Fivetran warehouse, I will now be able to select a list of Fivetran connectors and Fivetran DBT transformations, which I can use to trigger this sync. Now, if I select the Intercom Fivetran connector, the sync will run every time the Fivetran connector finishes successfully. You can also select multiple Fivetran connectors or DBT transformations to use to trigger a single sync.